Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Andy. Today we will be replacing the camshaft position sensor on this EA888 Gen 3 engine. My engine code is CJXA. The camshaft position sensor is pretty easy to be replaced. It's right here in the top right corner of the engine. To remove the connector, push up the small tab, then push it in and lift the connector out of the way. Like so. There you go, and it's only held in place by a single T25 Torx bolt. I used a 1/4 inch ratchet. The bolt isn't very tight, nor should it be. As always, be careful not to drop the bolt, else this 5-minute job will become a 50-minute job. Now it's time to remove the sensor. Just wiggle it out of place, gently. There we go. Let's do a comparison shot with the new Hella sensor. I used the old engine oil to lubricate the O-ring. Time for a picture. As you can see, there is some deposit on the old sensor. That's because I used some Liqui Moly MOS2 oil additive. Of course, I do some documentation. And with the O-ring lubricated, we can install the new camshaft position sensor in its place again. Clean the surface area if there is a need for it, but in my case the old sensor was not leaking, so I didn't clean this area. Just push the new sensor gently in place. And just make sure that the bracket lines up with the actual bolt hole. Take the T25 Torx bolt again, put it in place, and as always, start it by hand, of course. For the torque spec, I just went with good and tight. It's not a big bolt, so don't overdo it. It will probably need to be torqued at around 8 to 10 Newton meters. Time to connect the electrical connector. Just push it in, and then once it's clicked into place, push in the security tab, and this job is almost done. Time for a close-up shot. After this, don't forget to put on the engine cover, and that's another DIY done. Thanks for watching. Check the video description for common error codes if you have a problem with this camshaft position sensor, and as always, see you all in the next video. Peace!